going to be showing you how I achieved these curls on my hair using the Bantu knots method. And as you guys know, I've been doing a lot of twists out of my hair, so this time around I decided to do something different, something that will look a little bit chunky like this one here. So if you would like to find out how I achieved this look, please keep watching and do not forget to subscribe if you. Hi guys, first I'm going to use the tail of my comb to put a part on my hair from front to back. Then I'll go ahead and part the first side of my head. You don't need to make the parts very clean. And then I'll apply my product from Rose. Comb, and then I'll go ahead and add some mousse from Shea Moisture. Twist it all the way down. And then twirl it. Just twirl it, but do not do it so hard because it's going to be painful. I did it very loosely because I didn't want my hair to have headaches later on. So basically I just repeat the same steps all over my head. Make sure you detangle it very well, otherwise we don't want tangles when we try to take down our Bantu knots. So you have to try by all means to detangle your hair as much as you can. Basically, I will just repeat the same steps till the end of this section. At this point in time, I'm almost done because I went ahead and did the other part of camera. as you can see, that's like the last Bantu knot. I'm going to go ahead, twist, and then twirl. After I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and let it air dry. Then I'll be coming back to show you the results. So this is my hair the next day after it's completely dry, guys. You all can see I was so excited because it took so long to get dry, you know. So at this point I was so scared if the curls are gonna come out, you know. But I was happy. I could see some curl pattern on the first Bantu knot I took out, and I was like, okay, maybe this is gonna work. Let's see how the rest of the head looks like. So I'll go ahead and apply my black Jamaican Castor Oil to my scalp. As you all know, it's very important to oil your scalp most often. It helps to make your hair grow fast. You can apply any oil of your choice. For me, I'll just go in with the black Jamaican Castor Oil. After which, I'll just go ahead and take down my Bantu knots. So look at that curl pattern, guys. It's so beautiful. I can say the products did well on my hair. They did really good. And one thing I was scared was the fact that might be I might have flecks. You know, when products do not mix well together, they produce some whitish stuff on your hair. But these products did not do that on my hair, so I was so happy. I was so excited about the results. Look at that, guys. Look at that bouncy curl. It's so bouncy, and I was so excited. Look at that. Ooh, it was so successful. Yeah, I didn't waste my time, you know. Sometimes you take your time and do it and it doesn't come out this way, so I would say that it was not time wasted. So guys, I'll just go ahead, take down my Bantu knots until we see the end results. So keep watching. So I decided to separate each Bantu knot into 4 or 5 because at this point I was going in for the volume. I didn't care much about the frizz. I'm almost done, guys. I'm almost done. As you all can see, this is my end result and I was really happy about it. It came out really good. What do you think, guys? Do you like it? Thank you very much for watching till the end, and please do hit the subscribe button and even the notification button to get notified each time we upload a video. Bye bye.